Alright, here I am playing around with my oil extractor that I made. Got some parts here, probably. I had the propane tank. It's an old, out-of-date one. I think I paid $10 for it. And all the pieces that you see right there equal about $60, right at $70, with 40 of that being the air water separator. I've got water in this tank right now, and I'm going to put air into the tank at the inlet on the top, and so you'll be able to see that nothing shoots out from it from the air filter. So it's separating out. So this got water in it, probably about half a gallon or a gallon. You can hear it. You got air going in, clean air going out. And then just to show you, there was a little bit of backflow there. Now to show you that it's got water in it, I want to put the airflow here, and just this is the way you would drain it out. Of course, you'd have a hose hooked to it. See if I can wet my phone here. There you go. Backflow is pretty good. There you go. So obviously you want to make sure you got a hose hooked to it before you drain the oil out of it into another catch pan. But it works good. Cut the pipe at an angle. The pipe here, just this pipe here, goes all the way to the bottom of the tank. It's cut on a bevel so it doesn't flush out on the bottom, and allows you to get a very low level in there. So looks like it's working pretty good. So what will happen is I'll hook this up to the vacuum line on the opposite engine, and I'll have an oil tube going from here. I got to rig that up yet, into the oil pan, and then when I crank the motor on one side, it should vacuum the oil out of the other. Cool.